Good morning, it's Friday. This is Guru's Tech Bytes, episode 42. Pour the coffee, jiggle the mouse so Windows thinks you are a leader, and let's see what the internet dragged onto the porch. First up, somebody removed the modem and GPS from a 2024 RAV4 hybrid, because apparently even your sensible grocery getter wants to phone home like it joined a teen drama. The big deal is not just car privacy. It is that modern vehicles are turning into rolling subscription boxes with wheels, antennas, and a little tattletale in the dashboard. If your Corolla knows where you bought pretzels, I feel like it should at least chip in for gas. Second, a person tried pairing an RTX 5090 with an M4 MacBook Air to see if it can game, which sounds like putting a jet engine on a folding chair and asking if the chair is sporty now. It is a neat look at external GPU weirdness, Apple silicon limits, and how badly gamers want one little laptop to do impossible circus tricks. Okay, that's something. Somewhere a Windows driver installer just got jealous and broke a printer. Third, Arshiv has a new policy that can hand out a 1-year ban for hallucinated references. That is the AI era in one sentence. The robot made up a paper, the human submitted it, and now the library has to act like a bouncer at a nightclub. For researchers using language models, this is the flashing red sign. Citations are not vibes, Paul. They are load-bearing beams. And finally, Molvad exit IPs may be more identifying than people assume, because the VPN tunnel can still leave a very particular fingerprint when the exit crowd is small or patterns line up. Privacy is not one magic cape you put on before browsing weird router forums. It is layers, settings, habits, and sometimes admitting the internet is a nosy raccoon with a spreadsheet. That's your Daily Bite. Have a great day. Until next time.